My name's Todd Wyatt. I'm with EdgeWild Restaurant Group. What you're looking at is our third restaurant in our group, Edwardsville. Hope to be open by late July, early August. We have been under remodel now since middle part of April. We're extremely excited to bring our concept to Edwardsville to create an environment which I like to say we give people an excuse not to have to travel to St. Louis to dine. We are going to be a large craft beer house. We're going to have upwards of 30 craft beers on tap, about 60 beers total. We're going to do about 30 wines bottled and about 12 or 14 by the glass. We have a menu that's very approachable. We're doing everything from pistachio crusted goat cheese to smoked chicken wings to old-fashioned grilled burgers. We're also going to offer some dry-aged meats in a very comfortable, inviting setting. We have a large patio, outdoor patio, that we've expanded to include a fire pit area. But we're extremely excited and hopefully you'll come and enjoy us sometime soon.